Okay, so this is the conditions over here where I live at. In my car right here. There's the ground. The ground is ice. It's probably like about a quarter inch ice. So this is me right here trying to come out, take the road. That's how our road look right here. It's too bad. It's a quarter inch of ice on the road. That's, so I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna look like all the way down, but right here is terrible. So you can see, I can slide on that. That's terrible. So if I would have been trying to leave Tuesday night, my condition would have been like this Wednesday morning, and I don't know what would have happened. I've been in these kind of storms before because I lived in Atlanta for 25 years, and I've been caught in them, and I know how bad they are, and I almost, had some really bad problems with that wreck. So I just wanted to send you this so you can see how bad it is that I really can't move right now. All right.